Hi there, welcome to Luxuness. So glad you're here. Let me gently walk you through how to use our website, so your time with us feels simple, smooth, and just a little bit special. As you arrive on our homepage, you will see our beautiful banners. Just click one to explore our upcoming collections. At the top of our page, we share our latest promotions. Don't miss out. You can find the icons for search, your account, and your shopping cart at the top right corner. Enter a keyword in the search bar to look up items. Click on the shopping cart to view the products you've selected. At the bottom of the website, you can also switch between different currencies. If this pop-up suddenly appears on your screen, just enter your email to get an exclusive first-time discount. Scroll down to discover our latest arrivals and special offers. All our products are duty-free and shipping free to the US and Australia, and we offer an easy 14-day return policy. Browse by brand or category, or explore our top picks, carefully selected for their value, beauty, and uniqueness. Want to hear from real customers? Simply scroll to the bottom for authentic community reviews. You can also subscribe to our newsletter for special updates and exclusive offers. When you find something you love, click to open the product page. Swipe through detailed photos and view the price, clearly listed. For US and Australian customers, shipping and taxes are already included. We also offer free gift wrapping and a personalized card, perfect for making it extra special. Any ongoing offers and estimated delivery times are also displayed here. Scroll further for full product details. Click Identity Guarantee to learn how every item is thoroughly authenticated and inspected, and cleaning process to see how we care for every detail. We ship with DHL and FedEx, proudly reducing carbon emissions through Go Green solutions. Plus, a portion of every order supports global tree planting through our partner, the Good API. When you're ready to make it yours, simply click Add to Cart or Buy Now. In your cart, you'll see everything you've selected. Don't forget to use code FIRST for $15 off your first order. The price shown at the bottom reflects your final total. Click Checkout when you're ready. If you'd like gift wrapping, simply tick the box for free gift service. Choose your payment method, credit card, PayPal, or Apple Pay. You can also save your information and connect your shop account for faster checkout next time. Finally, click Review Order to complete your purchase. Thank you for choosing Luxuness. We hope you enjoy every step of the journey, and every piece you take home.